Hey everyone, this is Linus and Dana.
With Hitching Up, Moving On.
And we kind of stumbled on this, kind of just following a road we didn't know was there. And this is the outlet for the dam. I guess that's what they call it. And this is a really cool, it's right next to the dam that's, what do they call that? The fill dam or
the earthen dam.
Earthen dam, which
right.
is I'm going to show you here in just a second. So subscribe to our videos. I don't know why I'm losing you on my camera. Watching, like our videos, and subscribe. Leave us a feedback, leave us a comment, let us know how we're doing. So here we go.
Okay.
Do a video of that whole earthen dam.
Okay, so here's the base of the dam, and you can see it's built on the layers of rock, and then as you go back to the north, then you see all the dam over there, and then there's a walkway to get down to where the funnel outlet is. The first evening that we were here, we stopped at the Overlook Park, and when we stopped there, it pointed to the funnel outlet over in this direction. We didn't realize we could get down to it.
Do what you can do.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. So we're going to walk on down the path here to the earthen dam, or the outlet, or the drain, or what do you want to call it?
The funnel outlet. Funnel outlet. That bluff is beautiful.
Yes, it is.
We were seeing that from the other side of the river, and we didn't know what we were seeing.
Got to turn the mic around a little bit.
Oh, pretty.
And I will just... Okay, so this is the Pomme De Terre River.
Right.
That we're looking at right here.
And this is what runs behind Outlet
Park. Yeah.
Which is named for the funnel outlet, which all makes sense now.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
It's so pretty down here.
This is cool. Yeah. That is just a beautiful, that's the road we drove in right there that we just wanted to explore because we didn't know where it went. And we're going to walk on down here to the rest of it. So.
Oh, they've been done fishing.
Yeah, they're fishing. Yeah, that's probably a good place to fish.
It's like fishing in the bottom of a spillway.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure there's some nice cats fishing here.
Probably.
But we seen a great big old owl earlier flying. I didn't get a chance to get a picture of him.
He was beautiful.
Thought it was an eagle. I mean, not an eagle, but a hawk at first, but he was like 4 times as big as a hawk. So we determined it was an owl. I'm not sure what breed of owl because he come by so quick on us.
It's kind of a golden color.
It's just a beautiful view, though. Yeah, so neat. And it's not too far a walk, so it's not. You can do this a wheelchair. This is like a wheelchair ramp they have made.
Right. And there was a vault toilet restroom at the top that was clean.
Yeah.
Ish.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was really clean for a vault restroom.
Right,
yeah.
for a vault toilet, it was clean.
Yeah. I guess that's what they're fishing with right there. Big old jig. Oh, you can hear that coming in. Oh, I can feel the coolness of the water too.
Oh, it is so cool.
Yeah. Oh, you can walk all the way around this, I guess, if you want.
You can walk all the way around.
And it looks like they used to have it go across, and then they might have washed out up there a little bit, and they decided not to let you do that no more. I'm sure.
Did you see the measurement?
Oh, yeah.
For high water?
Yeah.
Looks like a lot of it.
54 foot, 55, 56, 57. I'm wanting to say. Is that what? Well, I know this is a very deep lake. I don't know if that's what the depth is here or if that's above, maybe it's 5'4" above
I'm not sure.
average. But we're not very smart people.
Oh, stop.
But a really cool place. Well, that water's coming through there though, isn't it? You got this, where they cut all this out just for a pathway, just for us to walk it. And I know they knew he was coming.
Yes.
So driving along. Have some fun.
I think it's neat how we stumble upon things when we're not really looking.
Well, I am one of these kind of guys that likes to explore. I like to drive around and see what I can find. And being as there isn't any waterfalls around here, this is about the closest thing you can find. I mean, I looked up waterfalls in this area about 2 hours away, so. But here's where it's coming through. And it is coming through. I think you fall in there, you might as well consider yourself not in there no more. You'd be gone. And the birds living in the pipes.
Little like chimney swifts, I think.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well, we'll go walk a little bit farther here and then we'll just close it up. Yeah, we got some water coming down through here.
Seepage through here.
Yeah, that's neat.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Leave some feedback.
If you've been to Pomme de Terre, what campsite have you stayed at? Let us know.
Yeah, we discovered one at the dam site we're staying at right now, which is site number